Hello, wonderful star. Let me be the first to welcome you to this school year. It's going to be like none other. I'm very excited to get to know you. For those of you who I know, I'm excited to see you again, and I can't wait to get started. So before we start, I've been trying to learn some of your home languages, so I want to say hello in each of the languages. So I have namaste, I have ga lu age, I have suoste, Salam. I have salam alaikum. I have hello and hola. So, for those of you who know, I speak some Spanish and I speak a little bit of all those other languages, and I am counting on you to teach me more this year. So, my name is Miss Kelly Gruselski, and I am excited to be at Rams. I'm one of the English language teachers at Rams, and this year I will teach some of the social studies classes, and also I will teach English, eighth grade English, and many of you will have me for eighth grade English with Miss Towns, either sixth hour or seventh hour. Others of you I have in class for social studies, and some of you I don't have in class, but I know I'll get to know you in STAR time. So there's a few things I want to let you and your families know because we have an open house tomorrow night. Tomorrow is Wednesday, September 2nd, and I just want you to know some information about that. But before we do that, you might be wondering who is in your star. So I have your pictures here. We have Talash, Gela Soang, Crisia. We have Matilda, Timothy, Ariam, Rohan Gurung and Rojan Gurung, Dahlia, Lada Hua, Miguel. We got some more here. We have Jorge, Sira, Diana or Diana. You'll have to let me know which one it is. Biswadip, Laisher, Amon, and Samira. I'm so excited to see you. We will be seeing each other on Friday. Next week is the first time that we will see each other as a star, and I have a bingo prepared, so come ready to play. Okay, so let's see what's going on for the open house. So I'll show your families where to see this document. I'm also going to send this spreadsheet to you in the email. So what I want you to know is that there is a chance between, depending on your last name, you can go to a question and answer session with the administrators. You could go, if you have a last name A to L, you're invited to come between 6 and 6:45. If your last name is M to Z, you can come a little bit later. You could also come whenever you want. So it's not strict. Just if your family wants to ask some questions and hear some information from the assistant principals and from our new principal, Mr. Cook, you are invited to come then. Okay, so you probably want to know how you're going to meet your teachers. So that's over here. So all of us teachers are going to be sitting in our rooms, either at school or for me, I'll be here at home in Minneapolis. And you are invited to come Zoom with us. So to do that, you would just, let's say you want to Zoom with Miss Allard, you'd click on this link and it would bring you to her Zoom room. It's going to put you in her waiting room and then she will let you in. So tomorrow, all these teachers will have blue. That means that they're ready to Zoom with you. You can find me under Gruselski. I'm here. So you just click on me, you click on my Zoom link, and I'll be waiting for you. Also, if your family wants to talk to the nurse or to the gate teacher or to your counselor is Mr. Richter, those staff members will be in rooms too, and you can talk to them. So I want you to know that that's happening tomorrow night. If you are busy tomorrow night and you cannot come, that's fine. You can email me or text me any questions that you have. Speaking of that, I should let you know I should probably let you know how to get a hold of me. So this is me doing it on the fly. So the best way to get a hold of me is email. And many of you have already been emailing me, and that's awesome. So this is my email address. Ooh, that's weird. Okay, that's me. Also, I have a Google Voice phone number that goes to my cell phone, so that is a good one to use if you want to text me, you want to call me. That is my cell phone number. And then also, I will be setting up talking points. And talking points is where I can text families and students, and I can use your home language. So I'm seeing that many students on my list have families who need interpreters, and that's awesome because then I can use an interpreter or talking points to make sure your family has all the information that they need. So the best way to get a hold of me is email. The other way is on my cell phone, calling or texting, and then I'll also be communicating with families using talking points. That's almost all the information I have. One more thing. If you are wondering how to get to the information about open house or about school, I just want to show you an easy way to do it. You can go to our district website, isd623.org, and then go to schools, go to RAMS. Okay, now for the open house information, you're gonna go all the way down here. It says RAMS back to school and iPad pickup information. I'm gonna click there. And then it talks about the open house. And this is the link to the page that gives you all of the where you can find all your teachers. I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to just give you that link so you don't have to find it. But I wanted to let you know also how to find it. Again, I am so excited. Thanks for watching this. I will be seeing you hopefully during the open house tomorrow. And if you can't make it, then I will see you on Zoom next Friday. We will be having our first STAR Zoom. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.